Yo.
Yo.
Yo, what's up?
Why you do that, bro?
Bro, because I don't want to, I'm getting finessed, bro. Y'all, both of y'all robbed me of $10,000,
I'm not
bro.
finessing you, bro. I'm not hiding.
Bro, both of y'all niggas robbed me of $10,000, bro.
No, bro.
You wouldn't ever do that. You wouldn't ever do that to Fredo, my nigga. Like, you did that to me because you don't respect me, bro.
Flight. I respect you 100%. I'm not dodging. I never not pick up your call. I'm trying to tell you that this guy robbed me. He robbed me for $3,600. I rented a car for him, and he fucking sold the car. A car that I rented for him.
But still, bro,
Now
you knew.
Now I'm gonna get sued by Hertz.
But the thing is, bro, you knew.
I never intended this to happen to you.
But the thing is that you knew this nigga was on some sketchy shit, bro. You could have at least told me, like, this nigga's past. Like, if you would have told me that, I would have still fucked with the dude. I just wouldn't have bought nothing from him, bro. Like, it was just a bad, like, it was a bad position you put me in for somebody that had a past of doing something like that, bro. And it just wasn't fair, bro, because I know you wouldn't even offer Fredo that opportunity to be like, listen, there's a whip for you for 10 bands, like, boom. Like, I feel like you did that to me because, you know, in a way I'm gullible, and two, I'm nice and shit. Like, I just felt taken advantage of, bro.
No. I know you were talking that you wanted a car.
I know I did. I never, that's the thing. And I told you that, like, if you find anybody, like, please look out for me. And that, you know I said that. I said all of that.
Well, there you have it. I'm not hiding. I never hid from nobody. I explained to everybody that I was going to be cutting hair in Miami Friday, Saturdays, and then I'll be back. I'll be in Miami Monday through Thursday. I told that to everybody.
Well, I don't know, man. Like I said, bro, I just want my money back, bro.
The detective that's working on the case called me today. This guy owes over 100 bands.
How did he get that many people, man, with that, and they didn't even, like, see it?
I have no clue, bro. This left me oblivious. I don't know how he did it. I don't know none of that shit. I really don't. If I did, I would tell you. I've always been an open book with you, bro. Always. And that's when I saw that video, it fucking hurt me. Because I never intended to hurt you. And that never crossed my mind. All I did was try to help you.
Nah, man, I just feel betrayed, bro.
There's no need to feel. I never betrayed you. Never, ever. I'll take that to the bank. I swear on my kids, I never intended to hurt you, bro. Hold on.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yep.
Yeah. Every time you call me, I've always been there. Always. I've never let you down or nothing. Never. I try to be more as a brother to you than a friend. And give you good advice. And then when I saw that video, it fucking hurt me, bro. Because you know I also took a L.
Yeah, man. Well, I mean, just talk about it later, bro.
I'm sorry for putting you in that position, but I never intended to hurt you at all. At all. 100%. And if I tell you I'll do my best to get your money back, I meant to try to do my best to get your money back. And then I saw that rant that you did, which I really don't appreciate. I understand you're mad, but I never implied to do that to you. Never.
All right, man. Just hit me up about it tomorrow, man. Like, if you're gonna be back tomorrow.
And I told you, like, I'll work on it today and tomorrow. And then I see this, and then people are blowing up my Instagram that I finessed you, that I did this to you. I'm like, what? Because you plainly saw that I didn't take the money. I gave it all to him. You paid him. You make me sound like if I'm the bad guy. I'm not the bad guy.
No, man. I mean, you just come back and tell tomorrow, bro. We just gonna talk about it, bro.
Alright.
Yep. I don't want to hear that shit, man. I don't want to hear that shit, bro. There's no reason to talk and argue on the phone, man. You know what I'm saying? You handle the shit when you're off everything. You know what I'm saying? That's just how the fuck it's gonna be. Everything that he said was spitting garbage. I don't believe none of the shit he says.